Tina, your toy patrol, and today we're gonna review a Ferrari car. Look at this! I'm gonna try pushing the tires. What's this? How did I do that? I was just looking at this shake thing. It looks like French fries. There's a picture like French fries. It looks... Oh, that's higher. Wait, does that mean... Oh, I have an idea. Slow motion. No! Look! Wow! That was awesome! Look, it even has a beep beep. It even has a light sound. That was so cool! Whoa! You need circle batteries. You know, the circle ones, the small ones, circle ones. You know, right? And it has a sound. Look, since I do this, wait, let me just use the tires. See, it makes a sound. The light is there. And now you saw that the back light also lights up. Look. See? See that? Lighting up. Look at that. Light. Look. See? There's no more light. Beep, beep, beep. Oh no! Ah! Oh, look guys. You can see a steering wheel. There's a steering wheel inside. What do we have in the other side? Look at these. I believe I can touch this guy. Wow, you're pretty good at that. Wow, wow, they're fast. Its tires are rubber, and also there's like holes in here. See, this is where the sound comes from. Look. Hear it? Hear the sound louder? Look, I'm gonna make it. See, it's so loud. It can't even do that loud. That is just so loud. If you see that and do that on your ear, don't. That is going to be too, loud. You don't know. You don't want something loud, right? Let's play. Man versus Ferrari. 3, 2, 1. Ferrari wins. The Ferrari wins. Next round. Man versus Ferrari. Ferrari wins! What do you think will happen if it bumps to a Christmas tree? The Ferrari bumps like this. Whoa. 3, 2, 1. That's not good. I destroy you. Uh-oh. No. I'm destroying you. That's it. That was loud. So, we're gonna make an obstacle course. and the green Herbie. Thank you. Super thank you for you because you win. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. See you next time. Have a good day.